Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing Homemade Squishy update number 41. So let's just get started. So first I have this really cute bunny cake squishy, which is inspired by the real squishy. And the strawberries are also squishy. And it's quite hard in the middle because I kept messing up on the mouth, so I tried covering it up with more white puffy paint and it just made it kind of hard, if you can hear that, but that's fine. And I also have a tutorial on this, so you can go and watch that if you want. Next, I have this really cute crab squishy, which I also have a tutorial on. And again, it has a really cute face. Next I have this Doraemon squishy, and I also have a tutorial on this, and it has a little bell. And the tail is also squishy. And I really like this one. I think it turned out really good. Next I have this Plumb squishy, which I also have a tutorial on. And it's pretty squishy. And it has a really adorable face. And the stem is made out of string and the leaf is made out of felt. And I just painted on the details on the leaf using green puffy paint. The next squishy I have is this Sumiko Garashi pudding squishy. I'm sorry if I said that wrong. And it is inspired by this Japanese pudding kit. So here is what it looks like. And again, I kept messing up on the bear, so I tried covering it up with more paint, so you can probably still see some of these smudges, but that's okay. And it is pretty squishy. And I think it looks pretty similar to the one on the packaging. So yeah, I just keep it inside of the packaging because I think it just looks cute. And I also have a tutorial on this, so you can go and check that out if you want. Then next I have this unicorn cake squishy, which is inspired by the real squishy. And I really like this one. And the ears, the horn and the whipped cream dollops are also squishy. And I also have a tutorial on this. So yeah, I'm really happy with this one. I think it's so cute. Next I have this I Bloom penguin squishy, which is inspired by the real squishy. And I also have a tutorial on this. And I think this is really cute. Next I have this little starfish squishy, which I also have a tutorial on. The next squishy I have is this Pacman Ghosts squishy, which I also have a tutorial on. And this one is called Pinky. And it is pretty squishy. And again, I really like this one, and I'm thinking about making the other colours as well, but I'm still not quite sure yet. And this is more of a pixelated design because I wanted it to look more like the one from the game. And I think it turned out really good. Then next I have these two Pumpkin Pasties squishies inspired by Harry Potter. And I also have a tutorial on these. And I think these look really realistic. I'm really happy with these. And here is the other one. And the last squishy I have is this Bounty squishy, which is actually a paper squishy. And again, I also have a tutorial on this. And Bounty is my absolute favourite chocolate, so that's why I decided to make this. And I actually drew this all out myself, and then I just coloured it in using colouring pencils. And I just filled it with cotton balls, and I also used a plastic bag. And I think it turned out really well. So that was Homemade Squishy Update number 41. I really hope you enjoyed it. And as always, please feel free to request any squishy tutorials or video ideas you would like me to do in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!